Hi everyone, welcome to another Linguish tutorial. So today, how to make paper airplanes. Things that fly in the air like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Nice! Not bad. Okay, the one I'm gonna do is the super jet, super thin version that flies really well. Well, in my opinion. So, to do this, you need an A4 piece of paper. Okay? That you fold in the middle. You fold in the middle. You fold like this. Okay, done? Now open it. Woohoo! And we're gonna fold the corners in the middle, like this. Okay? 2, 1. Done. I want to do number 2 now. Corner number 2. Here we go. Okay. It starts to look like a plane, but it's not a plane yet. So, let's keep folding the corner. This corner will go in the middle again. Here we go. Ooh, it's starting to really look like a jet. This corner goes in the middle. Okay, is it a plane yet? No, it doesn't have a body or wings really. So, what we're going to do is fold in the middle, like this. And now, that's the tricky part. You want to make the wings so that you leave about 2 centimeters of body in the middle. Let me show you. You're going to fold this wing from here to here, like this. Okay, so now I have one wing. Let's make the second one. So now you know where the first one stops, so all you have to do is fold like this, fold along the lines, and your plane is done. Just expand the wings. Ta-da! Here it is. So, a little twist on it. You can fold the nose also if you want. You can fold it inside. I heard it makes it fly better or it's sturdier. Not really sure, but you know, try it. You can add ruders at the end. Just cutting little bits of paper like this and folding them like this. Okay, let's add a second one. And of course you can decorate your airplane and have fun with that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, not bad. Bye.